Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jewelry cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for jewelry owners, promising to restore the sparkle and shine to your precious gold and silver pieces. But with so many options available, choosing the right cleaner can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect jewelry cleaner to keep your favorite pieces looking their best, ensuring they stay dazzling for years to come, and we'll explore the key factors to consider when making your choice. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. Give your treasured jewelry the care it deserves. Our premium cleaner is specially formulated for gentle yet effective cleaning. Choose the size that's perfect for your needs. We offer fine, silver, and delicate jewelry cleaner options. This formula is perfect for your most precious pieces. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate gemstones. Bring back the shine to your silver jewelry. It's designed to remove tarnish and restore luster. Clean your delicate jewelry with confidence. It's specially formulated for intricate designs and fragile materials. Get more cleaning power for your money with our value-sized bottle. It's perfect for regular cleaning and maintenance. Trust connoisseurs to keep your jewelry looking its best. Experience the difference of a premium cleaner. What we like. This cleaner is a premium edition with a large volume. It's perfect for those who frequently clean fine jewelry and want a long-lasting solution. If you have a lot of delicate pieces or prefer a high-quality product, this is the one for you. What people say. I fold my microfiber into about a 5 by 6 inches, making it bulky and soft, and I just open the gold cleaner and take out the tray and dab it one time on the microfiber, leaving a wet, damp circular shape of the product liquid on the microfiber. I then slowly run the chain entirely through it 3 to 4 times, and the chain is as good as brand new. Bought also the silver cleaner and very satisfied with both products. In seconds the jewelry is cleaned. Does its job perfectly. Fine jewelry cleaner seems perfectly safe for any fine metal, including sterling, and any non-porous, highly polished stone, including cubic zirconia. I didn't go above 20 seconds on anything, and only did 10 for questionable pieces. Nothing was damaged. Both cleaners, swishing jewelry around while timing helps. I just twist the basket back and forth like a washing machine. The brush is a must for getting the backs of stones and complicated nooks. Number 4. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner. It's formulated to safely clean gold, platinum, silver, diamonds, and more. This cleaner is gentle enough for even the most delicate pieces. Bring back the sparkle to your rings in minutes. It's brilliant on diamonds, but also gentle on other precious metals. It safely cleans soft stones, pearls, and all metal types. It breaks down buildup without damaging your jewelry. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's a great eco-friendly choice. It comes with a convenient dip tray. Simply immerse your jewelry for up to 3 minutes, then brush and rinse for sparkling results. What we like. This gentle formula is safe for all jewelry types and is made in the USA. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin or who prefer eco-friendly products. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective cleaner that's kind to your jewelry and the environment, this is a great choice. What people say. It reviews all types of jewelry. I usually let items sit overnight. My diamond ring sparkles like it's brand new when I soak it overnight. So far this stuff has worked very well. It's gentle enough to use every day, so a daily 2-minute soak and occasional light scrubbing with the brush, which is included, is plenty to keep it clean and sparkly. Sterling shines up beautifully, none of the stones set in silver were harmed, and lesser metals cleaned up too. I have a necklace with silver, brass, and onyx beads that I thought I would have to give up on because the brass was so badly tarnished and crusty, yet after multiple soaks, the necklace now looks good enough to wear and the onyx is undamaged. Number 3. Complete Jewelry Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to clean your jewelry. It's perfect for rings, earrings, and more. It's designed to be gentle on even the most delicate pieces. Clean your precious metals and stones with confidence. The included brush helps to reach those hard-to-clean areas. Get sparkling results every time. Use the polishing cloth to give your jewelry a brilliant shine. It's the finishing touch for a perfect clean. It's safe to use on gold, silver, and diamonds. Clean all your favorite jewelry with one kit. This kit is made in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust its effectiveness and durability. What we like. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need for a thorough clean. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and comprehensive solution. If you value convenience and want a kit that handles all your jewelry cleaning needs, this is the best option. What people say. Product worked as expected. It says to leave jewelry submerged for 2 minutes. I left mine for about an hour. I didn't want to ruin the entire jar of solution, so I poured some into a clear plastic cup. I used the included strain tool to lower and remove my jewelry from the solution. I pulled them out and used a Kleenex to blot dry them. I later rubbed them on the polishing cloth. It cleaned my jewelry good after letting it soak for about 8 minutes. It gave my gold chain and cross a little shine, nothing to really brag about. As long as it gets the dirt and grime off, I'm okay with it. Easy to use. Comes with a brush and 2 different cleaning cloths. I like that it doesn't have much of a smell and definitely left my jewelry sparkling. I used it on white gold and diamond jewelry. I would recommend it. Number 2. Maui Jewelry Cleaner Kit. This kit makes cleaning your jewelry easy and safe. It's perfect for silver, gold, and diamonds. It's a gentle yet effective solution, designed to bring back the shine to your precious pieces. No harsh chemicals. The kit comes with everything you need: a cleaning solution, a convenient basket, a cleaning brush, and a polishing cloth. Simply drop your jewelry into the basket, let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, and then use the brush and cloth for extra cleaning. It's that simple. Watch your jewelry regain its brilliance. It's like getting a professional cleaning from the comfort of your home. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. While it works on most silver and gold jewelry, it may not be suitable for all types. Please refer to the product description for details. What we like. This kit offers a money-back guarantee and includes all the necessary tools for easy cleaning. It's a great option for those who want a risk-free purchase and a simple cleaning process. If you want a hassle-free cleaning experience with a guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. I was concerned, as it states in the description, it does not clean all jewelry, but it is very well with all of mine. I even put in a couple of earrings that are cubic zirconia, and they came out very nice as well. All were dingy looking, but not really dirty. I let them soak for 10 minutes, shook the container like mad because I am too lazy to actually brush the jewelry with that little brush, dropped all the jewelry in a bowl of clean, warm water, and then used the cloth that came with the cleaner to dry it. The first photo is before, and the second 2 are after, and you really cannot see it in the photos, but the jewelry is so much shinier. The stones look beautiful. All of it pretty much looks brand new. When the newest piece I cleaned today is 10+ years old, my mother's ring, everything else is at least 2 decades. I work at a jewelry store and I am relatively educated in that field. This is by far the best jewelry cleaner I have ever used, and better than the ultrasonic cleaner. It makes sterling silver so insanely bright and shiny. Works well and the cloth is great for just polishing your jewelry. Number 1. Maui Jewelry Cleaner. Give your jewelry a sparkling new life with Maui Jewelry Cleaner. It's a safe and effective way to clean your gold, silver, and diamonds. This gentle solution is designed to clean and revive your precious metals and stones. It's the perfect way to keep your jewelry looking its best. Simply drop your jewelry into the included basket, let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, and then use the brush for extra cleaning. It's that simple. For your convenience, it comes with a handy basket and brush to make cleaning even easier. Get a professional-looking clean at home. While it works on most gold and silver, it may not be suitable for all types of jewelry. It's not guaranteed to work on all metals or fake jewelry. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. This convenient size is perfect for keeping your jewelry sparkling. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. This cleaner comes with a money-back guarantee and extra cleaning tools for a thorough shine. It's perfect for those who want a risk-free purchase and an easy way to restore their jewelry sparkle. If you prioritize ease of use and a guaranteed result, this is a great choice. What people say. Designed for gold, silver, and diamonds, this gentle yet effective solution comes with a basket and brush to remove dirt and grime. Just soak, brush, and watch your pieces sparkle like new. I wish I had taken before and after pictures. BC words simply cannot do justice to what kind of grime this cleaner had removed from my jewelry. Cleans well, easy to use, doesn't leak, not too big on shelf, very durable container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.